Hello student, today we will discuss about the adolescence. The word adolescence is derived from the Latin verb adolescere, which means adolescere means क्या होता है to grow into the adulthood. And adolescence is the time. Adolescence की definition क्या होती है कि the time of shifting from the immaturity of childhood into the maturity of adulthood is known as adolescence. And in the adolescence, no single event or clear boundary line that demarcate the end of the childhood or beginning of adolescence. The passage from the childhood into and through the adolescence is composed of a set of transition that unfold gradually and touch upon many aspects of individuals' behavior, development, relationships, and these transitions are biological and cognitive, social, and emotional. The period between 12 to 18 years of age may be thought of as adolescence period, and adolescence is accompanied by the several biological and behavioral changes. The adolescence is a very vulnerable phase of the mental and psychological development of the person. Now, the most common problems adolescents face related to the growth and developments: childhood illness that continue into the adolescence and experimentation with the risky or illegal behavior. As adolescents try new behavior, they become vulnerable to alcohol or drugs use. As a child is a natural curiosity motivate him or her to experiment. This is complicated further by the effect that might be perceived as benefit of alcohol or drugs use. First time the first use of the alcohol or drug may be out of curiosity or experimentation, but later the child start using these to escape facing problems. The stress from the pressure to excel in the academic or examinations also play an important role in the pursuing the youngsters to try the alcohols and drugs. The perceptions among youth that is cool or progressive to smoke, use drugs or alcohol is also a way major cause for youth to start this habit. Like television, movies, newspaper, and internet also help to promote these perceptions. Another factor that have been seen to be associated with the alcohol and drugs abuse among the adolescents are unstable or unsupportive family structure and peer pressure. Now the next topic is the addiction and dependence. So first we will discuss about the addiction. The term addiction has appeared as far back in 1599 when William Shakespeare is used it in the first scene of his play Henry V. At present, this term is used in the many contexts to describe an obsession, compulsion, or excessive physical dependence or psychological dependence, such as drug addiction, alcoholism, compulsive overeating problems, gambling, computer addiction, etc. Now in the medical terminology, addiction is a state in which the body relies on a substance for normal functioning and development of physical dependence, as in the drug addiction, when the drug or substance on which someone is dependent is suddenly removed. It is cause withdrawal, unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, and withdrawal symptoms is a characteristic set of signs and symptoms In some cases, withdrawal symptoms can be severe and even life-threatening, and the person may be require medical help. Because of the short-term benefit, drugs are frequently used again and again, and the most significant point which one fail to realize is the inherent addictive nature of alcohol and drugs. Addiction is a psychological attachment to certain effect such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being associated with the drug and alcohol. These drive people to take them even when these are not required or even when their use become suicidal. And now, with the frequent intake of drugs, the tolerance level of receptor present in our body increase, and as a result receptor respond only to the higher dose of drug or alcohol, leading to the greater intake and addiction. It should be clearly borne in the mind that use of these drugs, even one, can be forerunner to addiction. And now the addiction potential of drug and alcohol pull the user into the vicious circle leading to their regular use or abuse बोल सकते हैं इसको, regular use करे, that is known as abuse, from which he or she may not be able to get out. मीन्स एक बार अगर वो रेगुलर यूज़ में ला लिए फिर वो क्या होगा, ही एंड शी जो भी पर्सन होगा वो उससे क्या होता है कि उस एब्यूज से ईजिली निकल नहीं पाता है. एंड इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ any proper guidance or counseling, the person get addicted and become totally depend on their use. Now the next topic is the dependence. Dependence क्या होता है? The tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal symptoms if regular dose of drug or alcohol is abruptly discontinued, and this is characterized by the anxiety, shakiness, nausea and sweating, which may be relieved when use is resumed again. And dependence lead to the patient to ignore all the social norms in order to get sufficient fund to satiate his or her needs. These result in many social adjustments problems.